Have you ever pondered over the seemingly daunting task of memorizing the trigonometric table? Well, today we'll be exploring an easy and effective method to remember this table, using the process of dividing by 4 and understanding root values. Let's dive straight into the method, with no further ado. First, consider the angles in the first quadrant, which are multiples of 30 degrees, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now think about the numbers 0 to 4. Yes, just these 4 numbers. Interestingly, these numbers are the answer to the question, how to remember the sin A values. Each of these numbers is divided by 4 to give the sin A values of the angles in the first quadrant. For 0 degrees, the sine value is 0 divided by 4, which is 0. For 30 degrees, the sine value is 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. For 45 degrees, the sine value is 2 divided by 4, that is 0.5. For 60 degrees, the sine value is 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75. And finally, for 90 degrees, the sine value is 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. But wait, there's a catch. The actual sine values are not these numbers, but the square root of these numbers. However, for simplicity and ease of remembering, we initially consider the division by 4. Moving forward, to get the actual sine values, we take the square root of each of these numbers. So, the sine value for 0 degrees is the square root of 0, which is 0. For 30 degrees, it's the square root of 0.25, which is 0.5. For 45 degrees, it's the square root of 0.5, which is approximately 0.7. For 60 degrees, it's the square root of 0.75, which is roughly 0.86. And for 90 degrees, it's the square root of 1, which is 1. It's important to note that these square root values are approximations, and the actual values might differ slightly. So, to summarize, remembering the trigonometric table can be made easy by considering the numbers 0 to 4, dividing each by 4 and then taking the square root of the result. This method, although not 100% accurate due to the approximations, provides a quick and easy way to remember the sine values of angles in the first quadrant. And with that, we've reached the end of today's topic. It's fascinating, isn't it? How a seemingly complex task can be simplified using basic mathematical operations. The world of mathematics is indeed filled with such intriguing concepts and methods. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,